Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am here again with another video, and I hope ki last wala video you guys enjoyed it, which was a mixed vlog meeting my childhood friend. I just woke up. It's so late already. It's like 11:45 and up at 5:30, did my laundry and slept again, and now I woke up around almost 12. Let's spend this day together, so come with me. Okay, so before taking shower, today we're gonna do DIY facial at home. Think most of you guys would know cause this facial reel or this facial was very viral in between, and many of you know it, and I have tried it before as well, so it is working out for me. So I usually do once or twice a month according to my schedule and according to my free time. So today is the day, and जिनको नहीं पता for which facial I'm talking about, don't worry, you can see today with me. So let's start with that. So the first step is icing. Take some ice, add some cold water, and you can dip your face in that water, and you can do the icing step for about like 2 to 3 minutes, and trust me, it is so relaxing. Step number 2, milk cleansing for like 2 minutes. Okay, so the first 2 steps are done, and पहले 2 steps के बाद only you will feel that your skin is like glowing, or it will become soft, like so good, and the blackheads will also be removed at the end of the facial. So moving forward to the third step, let's do that. So step 3 is scrub, and for scrub you will need sugar and honey. That's everything. So just 2 ingredients for scrub, sugar and honey, and we will apply this and leave it on our face for like 5 minutes. You might feel bit itchy or something like that, cause मुझे भी होता है ये, but wash करने के बाद you will feel normal. So let's do this. This is the risky one because you might feel itchy as well, so you might feel like कुछ तो गलत हो रहा है, and it's like the texture is like bit sticky. So बट ट्रस्ट मी, इसके बाद आपके सारे जो वाइट हेड्स, ब्लैक हेड्स और नोज एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी टेकन ऑफ, and you can observe that before applying these and after applying and washing this that there are changes. Okay, so this is how apply it, and now you need to leave this for like 5 minutes, and उसके बाद you can wash it with cold water, just cold water, nothing, and then we'll move forward to our fourth step. And here I am after 5 minutes, and if you can see, all the heads are removed and it has become a clearer skin. So that scrub really works for me, and even you can try. For most of the people I have seen on social media कि उनके लिए काम किया है. And now the last fourth step is our face mask, and to make our face mask we need 4 ingredients, which is basin, coffee, honey and milk, and it might look something like that. There we go. So we need to apply this, and उसके बाद इसे भी हमें छोड़ना है for like about 10 minutes, and then we can wash it, and उसके बाद we will be ready with our facial. So let's apply this. I really like the color of this face mask because of the coffee and basin. we have applied it, and अभी इसे रेस्ट के लिए रखना है for about 10 minutes and then we can wash it off. So that was pretty much DIY facial at home, and सबने देख ही लिया होगा cause there are reels everywhere on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. So but it is really working for me, so thumbs up from my side. If you wanna try you can, cause it's all like घर वाले ingredients, so ऐसा कोई risk नहीं है that okay we are adding chemicals on our face. It's just the pretty much normal basic ingredients, so there is like no risk. So you can try and check it out if it's working for you. मैंने एक बार किया and it's working for me, and from then on I am doing it. So अभी I will leave it for 10 minutes and तब तक I will scroll my phone, and उसके बाद I'll wash it off and then I will see you guys. So bye bye. Kidoki. So I have washed it off my face mask after 10 minutes and you can see the results. I'm not sure कि आपको clear results दिख रहे हैं या नहीं, but I feel much better on my skin and even my blackheads on nose are gone. So this was pretty much my DIY face mask and it's very common, it's very viral, everyone knows it. Yes, that is done. And अभी मेरे को I still left with my shower and I am so done that अभी मेरे को आलस आ रहा है because I need to wash my hair and it will take me another 45 minutes to have a shower, and by that time it will be like what 2 or 2:30 because it's already 1:30, and then uske baad we'll see what we can do. Hello guys, so I'm back with my shower, with my hair wash, and now it's time to eat something, and let me show you what I'm eating. Today I am eating some cucumber with seasoning and strawberries. I'm trying to eat healthy, so this is my first meal of the day. मैंने अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं खाया, and now I will eat this while watching something. Cucumber is good because of the seasoning I added. Hello guys, so I'm back again, and after that I did nothing. I was just scrolling my phone and watching Instagram, YouTube and everything, and finally I have set to go through my study materials, and now finally it's time for some study. So अभी फ़िलहाल for like 1.5 hour or something like that I'll study. उसके बाद फिर we'll cook dinner. Okay, so now it's time for some dinner, and dinner के लिए है some roti with beans and aloo की सब्जी. I wanted to have salad of onion and carrot, but I'm too hungry to chop both of it, so हम ऐसे ही खाएंगे. Okay, so dinner is done. बर्तन also done, which you saw. मतलब I don't know क्या हो जाता है. I just cooked 2 dishes, roti and sabzi, and then whole stand is full of utensils. भाई मतलब कैसे? I don't understand the math of utensils when cooking, and nothing to say. But finally everything is done. It's like 8 already, and now I need to sleep cause tomorrow I'm having double shift. So अभी everything is ready. मैंने अपना lunch पैक कर लिया है. I have taken out my uniform. Everything is done. Just need to relax and sleep so that
I have more energy tomorrow to do my 2 shifts. And that was everything for today's video. मतलब इतना कुछ था नहीं वैसे तो. It might be a boring just facial वाला part था and then normal routine, but as I say, it is what it is. So if you like my videos, please do like, share and comment on my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye.